How to convert Canva design to website. So this is a simple and easy guide on how to convert Canva design to website. So first, you just have to go to a website. This time, we're going to use the Wix website here. In order for you to create a new one, just go and create new site. And it's so easy to use Wix. You just have to look or search for a template. Let's just say you are about to promote a skincare website or products. So you can search for skincare product or website right here. And basically you can choose from any of this: beauty store, makeup store, and so on. Just click and this is what it looks like. However, if you think that you are looking for that specific element or pictures or images, and you can't find that here on your website, let's just say Wix, then you can go and then create the design using Canva. Or let's just say you have your Canva design, you have your Canva page already, and you wanted to add those Canva elements here on your Wix website. So how are you going to do that? So first, of course, you need to create or add a section here, a blank section. Well, here on Wix, you can see different designs and sections. So if you want to add, for example, a welcome page, or let's just say about services, you can basically add or look for that specific layout right here or template right here. And then you can just edit that one later, or you can add or import pictures and images or elements from Canva. So this time, let's use Canva. You need to create an account here. You need to sign up. You can sign up using your Google account. Just connect your Google account. And then here in Canva, you just have to go to designs and then search for that specific keyword or word, let's just say skincare, and you will see tons of designs and templates here. So let's just say you wanted to add this template to your Wix website. Okay, so for example, this one. Now, Canva has a user interface, so it's easy for you to delete, add, remove, change the background color, change the font color, the size, everything here, add effects, transparency, and animation. So as you can see, for example, this is the name of my page. This looks skin botanical product, or let's just say I'm going to add list right here. Basically, here in Canva, you just have to upload your pictures, your product pictures, and just drag that picture here inside. You can also add descriptions, words, everything. Okay, it's very easy. Just copy and paste and then add the picture. So for example, these are my products. I can get from elements or I can upload my own images. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, I just add or get pictures from elements here in Canva. But if you have your own picture, I suggest you have to go to upload and then upload your own images. To drag or add the picture, just drag it to this frame right here. So let's just say these are your products. You just have to basically add. You can adjust the size if you want. You can make it bigger or smaller. And then here you can add the description of the product. You can also change the font style, the font size, and the font color. Everything is up to you. You can add your logo right here. You can change the background color. You can also change the title font or everything here. So let's just say I'm going to add a background color like that, and then also change the background color of this title right here. So you just have to tap the box and then go to color and change that. So how are you going to add that element, that design here on your Wix? So basically I'm going to show you later. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So feel free to change, feel free to edit your image, your page here on your Canva. So once you're done, let's just say you're okay with this, then what you're going to do next is you can just basically tap this share a button at the top. And then what you're going to do here is you can download this, or you can go to your website, for example, Wix. And then this time you have to click this plus icon and then look for embed social, something like that. You need to scroll down here and look for that. What you're going to do is you have to copy the URL from your Canva to your website. So all you have to do is to look for this embed code, tap this one right here, first one. Now go back to your Canva And then this time, you need to go back to share. You need to click this three dots right here and then go to embed. Then copy the link either of the two. So you can copy the first one or the second one. So let me copy this one right here. Go back to your website, which is the Wix website, and then double tap or paste the code right here. You just have to simply wait for a couple of seconds as it is loading. Then you will be notified that the page or the image or the element is now added to your Wix website. Okay, so if the first URL didn't work, then you can tap the second one. So this is what it looks like. And just a piece of reminder, you cannot edit your Canva image here inside your website. So if you want to create or make some changes, you need to go back to your Canva, edit it there, and then copy, then go back to your website, which is Wix, and then paste the URL or code again. So this is what it looks like. Feel free to change, adjust the size. Okay, you can adjust the size right here, but you cannot import or add pictures. Okay, so basically that's how easy it is. What you get to do is go and create some designs on your Canva, copy the code or download, and then paste the code to your Wix website. Okay, so that's how easy it is. Most of the people prefer to use Canva because it's easy to use. The element, like what I mentioned earlier, it has a user-friendly interface. So you can easily convert the Canva design to any website because it has also this URL or code. Okay, so to add more, just click this one, go back to your Canva, look for that specific template or design, and then edit. Okay, so for example, this one, you just have to simply drag your image or your product. Okay, for example, if you want to add a thank you message, then basically you can go to Canva and then look for a thank you template right here, and you will see tons of designs and templates for thank you message. Okay, and then here you can add your product, you can upload, or you can just search a same product here on Canva element. Okay, change the background, change the font size. And then again, you just have to tap share or download, copy the code or embed, and then go back to your website, which is Wix. Okay, so let me copy this one first. And then again, go and tap this plus icon, go to embed code, tap this one right here, and then paste the code. Wait as it is processing. Then you will be notified once the design has been added to your website. So basically, that's how easy it is. And you just have to drag and then adjust the size and position. So that's how easy it is to convert Canva design to website. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.